Namaste everyone and welcome to Omincenseshow with DJ. Today, in the 7th and last day of our 7 days 7 cones series, let's make some smokeless incense cones. These cones are best for people who are allergic to smoke or who live in a small closed house where they cannot have enough smoke, or for people who do not want to use incense because of smoke. This incense uses only 3 ingredients: a charcoal tablet, a liquid of your choice, and an essential oil of your choice. While choosing the charcoal tablet, be careful to go for only organic ones which do not have saltpeter in them, so that way you can be sure to get the best scent from your essential oil. As for the water, you can use just simple plain water, or you can use any fancy liquid of your choice like hydrosols, floral waters, gulab jal, kevra jal, lavender water, or ganga jal. As for the essential oil, you can use an essential oil of your choice and depending on your mood. Since these cones get ready within a matter of few hours, you can get them ready for a special purpose. To treat the issues of cold, cough, and respiratory issues during winters, use eucalyptus or cedar wood. If you want to use it for meditation, you can use sandalwood, frankincense, Palo santo, or any such grounding and calming oil of your choice. To create some mood of romance, or just for a little self-love, or to change your mood, or when there has been some untoward incident at home, like a fight or anything, you can go for rose, jasmine, or any other nice, perky floral scents. For a student or for general mental alertness, you can go for lavender oil. Go for chamomile if you want to treat insomnia, or if you just want to have a good night's sleep. Since we do not use any aromatic in this, the quality of the incense is dependent on the essential oil. So I request you use essential oil only. Please do not use the fragrance oils. This incense is a true representation of Shiva to me. Like the coal, he is grounded and calm, and he burns silently so we can have a fragrant life. So let's hum a small bhajan for Mahadev. Shankar Shiva Bhole Umapati Mahadev, Shankar Shiva Bhole Umapati Mahadev, Palanhar Parameshwar Vishwaroop Mahadev, Palanhar Parameshwar Vishwaroop Mahadev, 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 Mahadev. Mahadev, Mahadev. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya.